So basic funda how to create this kind of drawing. Okay. Just wait. Explicit. Uh, Eleanor, your class is 11:45, beta. Your time it is senior class time, beta. Eleanor, is this is a senior class time, beta. You can join this time. Your class time is 11:45. Okay, beta. Now it's senior class time. Now, haha. Okay, so you can go ahead. Some students are joining wrong time. So I can just wait. So we are focused on the how to create that. This is eyes and nose, everything with the chin. Okay. Uh, inside face and the front face, so you can uh, more focus on character. Good morning. Okay, so you can make it. Uh, I explain here the four things are very important for the change. What is changes needs. Okay, so let's start first. We can do like this. Okay, here the line. Okay, make sure that your circle it should be very perfect. Okay, it is very important to your circle should be perfect. Okay, so if your circle is a perfect, then your drawing also coming very nicely. Okay, so make sure the circle is perfect. So now after that, here I can make it one circle line. Okay, circle line like this. Okay, and this circle line here straight line, and this all line I'm making very lightly, not dark color, that is for sure. Okay, not using dark color, I'm using very light color.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Sorry, sir, I joined late.
No problem. Chalo, try to maintain time. Okay, so this distance would be same. Okay, here to here. Okay, let's be maintain, and after that the same height we can take here that much. Okay, this heights I just take it that much in here also. Okay, so now you can go ahead to the steps. Okay, here like it's okay, like this steps. Okay, so that much only I extend, not much more. Fine, and here I can make it one small line. That line we can, okay, this is this side, so that lines you can create by here. Okay, like this. Okay, oh, and then just join this. Shidi, you have only one class weekly. You have joined 3 times. For now is okay, but weekly 1 times. Okay, beta. Either Saturday morning, either Saturday evening, either Sunday morning, either Sunday evening. Okay. Okay. For now is okay, but next week you can join weekly one. So same drawing you can see. So after that, here I just make it line. Okay. So here I can divide it three different. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is three difference. Okay, very clearly you should understand that things. Okay, and after that you are create here. Okay, the basic inside what is the inner anatomy and inner proportion. This is we should maintain that. Okay, fine. So here eyes line, okay, nose line. So now what is happening here? The same thing. This 3 4 very important things I want to uh, tell you that first. Yes. Little off. Right. Hmm. It is actually full screen. Okay, don't do up and down. It is difficult. Okay, that much. Fine. So now after that we can go ahead to this part. Okay. F6 here. So you can create eyes line. So nose are not that much focus, so you can make it that much. Okay, very less nose. Eyes I can make it bigger, but this expression for this drawing, this expression is little eyes is half down. Okay, so here you can make some space. Okay, this is you can put some space inside that. So we arrange the how much space you are, and the balance also here is very important. The balance this, okay, same proportions. Okay, you are creating. Okay, so you can go ahead, and after that the nose line. Okay, and here the mouth. So in pure anim is eyes is very small, very bigger, and eyeball is very bigger, all those. But here we are, yeah. Okay, here I maintain this character is little uh, okay, here the chin parts for the manga is very, is very sharp. This very sharp edge. Okay, here very sharp edge. That is very important of manga. So number one, eyes is more focus. They are making more bigger, and this is line to create the ear, but ear not visible that much because of the hair. So you can start the here after that. Okay. So we are focused here. This part is the skull. So that was skull. So here should be little bigger areas, right? It is little bigger areas like this. Okay. So we can make it. This the roughly I drew first, and then we can show it. Okay. Here like this. Okay. So we are making fine like this. Eyes, yeah, I show by here this all those things how to create. Okay, supposed to, if we're going to eyes, uh, number one the eyes only. Can I explain? Okay, so for this eye I can create like this. First straight line, this is okay like this, and make it line like this, straight line. Upper line always little bit of darker. Upper line always little bit of darker. Lower line is little less. Not to don't worry. Okay. So this eye actually they are a little bit down, hop down. Okay. So that's why you not uh, bigger this eye, and this is eyelash. Okay. And one wrinkles, you can see here one wrinkles. Okay, like this. Fine. So you can maintain that eyes like this. Nose basically it's not visible that much. You can draw like this part nose, like just like this. Like this, very light one shadow over here, and the whole of nose and both sides. Just a minute. This part I make it little bigger, make it just shading like this. Here nose. Okay, actually nose is a circle kind of, no oval kind of, so just make it like this. Okay, fine. And the leaf is like this. Okay, just leaf is like this. Go to hi Ananya, good morning. Make it straight line. Okay, like this. And here you can make it just after the straight line. Okay, you just in this straight line you just go here like this. This is the middle line, straight line. Okay, just go ahead this. Fine. After that you just here you can just break like little bit like this. Okay, just little bit of do like this, and after that you can go ahead. Okay, you can go ahead this line.
Sir, can you show how to do the hair? No, eyes.
Eyes, yeah, I show this, and here you can make it line like this. Okay, this is eyes I show again. Basically this eyes is little off. Okay, so make it this this line like this, down line like this. Okay, and upper line you just make it 1 2 like this. Okay, and here this eye is little bit of down, so the eyeball is looks this. One in middle is a darker line eyeball, and you can put some white space, and after that you just dark half of this. Okay, half of this, and make sure upper line should be more dark. Okay, upper line should be more dark, lower line light. Okay, lower line this is light. That means I want to explain that upper line should be dark. Okay, like this, and lower
Sir,
line,
there some other type of hair.
yeah, lower, yes, lower line is light, very light, and an eyeball like this. Okay, fine. So lower line is a light, upper line is a dark, and eyeball, if you want to explain eyeball, that is make it straight, the circle nicely first. Okay, and inside make one more circle like this, and here one more circle like this. So this line you make it fully dark. Okay, this line should be empty, white, and this white line you just make it like this, like this. This is one type of eyeball. We can maintain different eyeball, but for manga we can create this kind of eyeball. Okay, it is a helpful, this kind of eyeball. Okay, so I do this rough first, these things. Okay, then after that I can make it clearly. Okay, so now what's happened, I can make here some here. Okay, so this area, some here it is in front coming, this here is coming in front of this, it's called forehead, in front of forehead coming this here. Okay, fine. So so basically the head, this part is like a ball kind of, right? This part is kind of ball, right? So see, this is the ball kind of the shape, the head, right? It's like a ball. Fine. So this is very important. So this is not at all that not end here. End here should be bit more bigger. Okay, fine. So now after that we are almost done these things. Okay. So now this is a way to draw. First make it rough and maintaining all perspective proportion, and then you just clean this drawing nicely, because in your drawing lots of line in front of the skin, nose, mouth, everywhere. So when you are making drawing, you need that research. Yeah. Sorry, beta. I drew now. No, this is sketching only. I make at least 2-3 drawing. One boy, one girls. Uh, no, first now we are doing the final drawing. Okay. After that, now our ideas is clear. What is happening? Okay, ideas is clear. Now we are going to the color. This is the final drawing. Okay, we are going to the final drawing. So sharp your pencil when you do the sharp final drawing, because your drawing is ready now. I'm using this pencil called Art Liner. It's very good pencil for that. Okay, Art Liner. It's a dark pencil, so you can create. No, this normal pencil, Art Liner. It's called Art Liner. So I'm starting for the eyes. Its down line is should be light. Okay. So my drawing is finally ready. I just now make it more clear and details. Okay. So this part also, when you draw the eyes, uh, okay, you draw the eyes like this, right? So here also you can make it little bit like this, okay, like this part, okay, here. Yeah, you can, if you using the dark, you can use a charcoal pencil for now. Yeah, okay. So eyebrow over here, I make it eyebrow. Okay, the same proportion. Now I am not using much rough line, because this finally we are doing this now. Same proportion, just maintain same proportion. Okay, upper line should be dark, lower line is little light. Okay, should be clear. Whatever you want to draw from your side, it should be clear. Okay, then it's coming nicely. Okay, so we are not making nose. I show how to draw the nose over here, so not making nose very um, brightly. Okay, I just make it dark line over here. The same kind of, I just make it a little darker like this. That's enough. I show the mouth, how to draw mouth over here. The same, this is line is coming, no, same line you can create. Very not slim, it is little slim. Okay, so not dark line, this lower line. Okay, this in middle it should be dark. Okay, like this. If you want to make little smiley, but this character actually is not smile, little down. Okay, and this side, after that you can make it the chin part. Okay, this is the proportion, so chin should be this here, comes coming here. Okay, and then let's go to the like this line. If you make it little small lips, it looks good. I make it little small, that much. Okay, it looks more good. Chin should be, like a scarf, like this. Okay, this scarf chin over here. So now I can create the hair. Okay, this part is here. Okay, here's start from, I do the before only this part, no, roughly I do this. So you can start here, the here position like this. Okay, focus the hair position like this. So this is like like line like this, surf. Okay, like this surf. So you are maintaining this part. Okay, so all here, the branch of hair start from this part, right? Okay, fine. So here is very less, you can see. In manga style, maximum time I follow that eyebrow, it is visible, overlapping the hair, eyebrow is visible. So this I see in manga. Usually when the hair is overlapping, then eyebrow not visible. But in manga drawing, sometimes it's I show that visible. Okay. So make it very clean line. Okay, so here I can make it one hair band. Okay, create one hair band like this. Okay, so 2 3 things is very important to follow up. Eyes, nose, mouth is something different. Again, I show more things. Okay, so here bends ends like this. Like this. Here you can small. So here is a bit taking time, and it's quite natural for manga drawing. If you are, I do this slowly because you will understand if you I do slow. Okay. So all flow is here flow. I make here tutorials, YouTube tutorial I have I send very soon how to
Sir,
make
I am unable to draw the nose properly.
nose, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nose, right. That is that much only, beta. It is not too much. Nose are do like this. Okay, the oval and the shading. This oval you make shade, and here you can just inside you make it the two hole and two line both side. Like it's very easy. It's very simple. Okay, so make maybe you just focus how to draw step by step. You can understand. This is just simple oval and down to hole. Okay, so here,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yes, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So we can create here. Okay. So upper line and down line both are I'm working. See here it's coming and go up. So the branch of here you want to draw. Okay. Actually, very nice chin. Okay. From the chin parts, the neck is coming. So first, when I draw, this is very rough, but when you are making this final drawing, that time you are making little more uh, conscious to draw the say proper. So this is a particular one art form, art style. So we should maintain that art form. It's not just a girl's portrait. It's not just a uh, drawing. Okay, we should maintaining this art uh, few style whatever I explain over here. Okay, this is should maintain. Then it is coming very nicely, eyes and all. Okay, so you should go now the next drawing. So after 5 minutes can go. I hope that I do very slowly. So uh, it is clear that where you are making shadings and all. So you can make it more here. Okay, so the hairstyle I tell that very sharp line is required over here. Very sharp line is required. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can tell me. I can go ahead and tell you that where it is a real any issue, any hair, eyes. Okay, some hair it is goes out like this, up. It's blowing some house, some air is coming down also. Okay, so you can use this. So slowly you are draw the hair. Okay, which maybe take times, but if you take times and give me shadings properly, it looks awesome. Okay, I use some dark pencil. So if I use some little shading of nose and highlights, so it's maybe looks great. Okay, make it can put some shadings like this. Okay, put something like this. If you want to make it mix the shades, so I use this paper. Okay, so take some paper like this, that much. Okay, and fold that paper, fold in, fold in, fold and fold. This is sharp line, you can make it, and you can just merge it little bit of. Okay, if you want to make little shadings, little. Okay, so it's make extra add your drawing beauty. Okay, so you can create like this, not everywhere. Okay, you just erasing the line, few areas. If you want to erasing, you just erase it. Okay, I basically use my another pencil rubber. It is very useful. uh, so this rubber for the very small areas, if you want to erase something, so this is basically rubber. uh, this rubber you can use it. Okay, for this kind of area, small area, you need highlights or erasing, so easily you can erase it. Okay, few areas. So it's gives more realistic feeling.
Sir, I have drawn my one own drawing.
Okay, please show view. Make it okay. So you can go ahead after that. uh, Here is a, you can erase it. Some here you can make its highlights if you want to wish to make. Okay, some areas you can create some highlights, especially this area. So the volume of here it looks.
Sir, how is my drawing?
Yes, better. Just I want to see this. Yeah, this is nice scenery. That's good. Wow, you draw at home? Very good.
Yes, sir.
It's really awesome. I like it.
And one more, my colors I have done on my own, sir. One more.
Okay, please show. Yeah, sure. I just show the hair part. Very nice. Wow. This is manga, right? You are doing. Yeah, sorry, beta. Hmm. Yeah, you can make your own hairs. Yeah, it's your choice. Okay. But okay. So you tell like how to draw the this here, right? Here is a very in manga drawing. Here is a very important part. So you can go ahead here like this. See, basically I'm making the hair sometimes like this. Okay, sometimes and here this is the basic thing is one curve, two curve like this two curve. Okay, and here you just do like this. Okay, it's simple. I make one here how to draw the hair one class. I make a videos tutorial also. You guys are follow that tutorials I sent.
Yes, sir. We are doing.
Yeah, I make it very hard work for you to make. See, I just do one tutorial for the how to make the hair. This tutorial I sent very recently. Okay, see, show here how to make the hair from. Okay, the uh, this uh, boys hair and girls hair. Okay, how to make the flow. So uh, yeah. Just say this tutorial I already sent. But here tutorial I show very recently. But this tutorial hates the manga or anime hate here is little different. So we make one tutorials if you needs. Okay. So now we should go ahead to next drawing. All of you have finished drawing, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Almost
Sir, I
finished.
recently brought the brush pens which are very nice, sir. It's making use for coloring.
Okay.
So next we will do the watercolor painting or sketching only.
No, next. Yeah, next drawing we should color it. Okay. So let's one sketching we are doing. This is topic.